Hello children, welcome to maths class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about Roman numbers. Yes, Roman numerals. Roman numbers we use in our maths problems, and if we see Roman numbers also in our daily life objects. But do you know the basic rules? How to write Roman numbers, how to write the numbers, different numbers with the help of Roman numerals. Let's discuss all the rules and everything about Roman numbers today. So, first of all, what are Roman numbers? Roman numbers are another kind of notations which were earlier used by Romans in Rome. Various combination of English alphabets are used to represent a number in Roman numbers. Like 1 is represented with I, 4 with IV, 10 with X, etc. So with the help of alphabets, we can represent the numbers also. And this is called Roman numerals. And do you know, children, the Romans, they did not give any number, any Roman numeral for the number 0. Yes, so we don't have any Roman numeral for 0. Now, how to write Roman numbers? For that, you should know some rules also how to write numbers with Roman system. So let's discuss all the rules one by one. So rule number 1 is that there are only 7 alphabets in modern Roman numerals. Yes, I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. I for 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L we use for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500, and M is for 1000. There is no other alphabet which we can use in our Roman numerals. So these are the only 7 fixed alphabets. Now rule number 2, you can repeat any symbol one after the other. And when you repeat the symbol, the value will be added. Like if you write I, and I 3 times, so it will be equal to 3. If you write X and X 2 times, it will be 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, this is rule number 2. Now, rule number 3. Any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. You cannot write these 4 lines for your 4. No, this will be wrong. For 4, you have to use the other symbol. So you cannot repeat any alphabet for Roman numbers in Roman numbers more than 3 times. So we cannot write this 4 in this way. Then how to write 4 and how to write the other symbols? Let's see the next rule. Now place of symbol having smaller value. Now there are 2 cases. If you write any symbol to the left side, that means the value will be subtracted. And if you write any symbol to the right side of the big symbol, then the value will be added. Okay, like if you now you know 1 is for this one I, and V is for 5. So if you write I, which is smaller than V, to its left, then the value will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. And if you write I to the right of V, then its value will be added, that is 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, so you can see so many examples here. 1 IV is for 4, IX is for 10 minus 1, 9, XL, now 50 minus 10, that is 40 here. And now if you see the examples where we have used the values, the smaller symbols to the right of the bigger symbols, where you can see its value is added, like VI for 6, xi for 11, lx. Now lx here is 50 plus 10, that is 60. So xl is your 50 minus 10 and lx is your 50 plus 10. So this rule is very, very important. If you write the symbol of smaller value to the left side, its value will be subtracted. And if you write the smaller symbol to the right side, value will be added. Now next rule, again, which is very, very important. Symbols V, D and L never repeated. You cannot repeat V, D and L. You cannot repeat. You can only repeat I, X and C. I, X, C. V cannot be repeated. So this V cannot be repeated. You can only repeat I symbol, X symbol, C symbol and M symbol. So we can repeat only I, X, C and M if we want to write the values of bigger numbers. Okay, so we can write I 2 times, we can write I 3 times, we can write X 3 times, we can write C also, but we cannot write these symbols. So V, L and D cannot be repeated. Now rule number 6. If you want to represent large numbers, like if you want to show 5,000, if you want to write 10,000, if you want to write 50,000, then what you need to do? You need to put a dash over the Roman numbers. That means if you want to write 5,000, it will be V and above V there will be a dash. If you want to write 10,000, this is for 5,000. If you want to write 10,000, write bar or dash on X, that will give you 10,000. In this way, you can write the numbers of any value with the help of these dashes here. So you have to multiply it by 1,000. Dash means multiplication by 1,000. Now you can see some Roman numbers up to 100 on my screen. So these are the numbers you can see up to 10. We have to write like this. Then for 20, it is XX. For 30, it is triple X. For 40, according to the rule, you cannot repeat X more than 3 times. So it will be XL. For 50, it is L. For 60, it is LX. L plus X. For 70, it is L plus 2 times X. For 80, it is L plus 3 times X. For 90, it is, yes, 90, it is 100 minus 10, that is XC. And for 100, it is C. So you can write the symbols with the help of Roman numerals, but with the help of all the rules here. So keep practicing Roman numbers and keep doing the questions related to Roman numbers. Thank you.